It's pumpkin pie spice season again. Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. It is pumpkin pie season, and today I'm going to teach you how to blend your own pumpkin pie spice. It's perfect for the holiday season. Fall is here, and it is certainly time to get some pumpkin pie spice out there. So here you go. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for sticking with us. 4 teaspoons ground cinnamon. Fresh is best. 2 teaspoons ground nutmeg. 2 teaspoons ground ginger. 1 teaspoon ground allspice. Blend well together and put in a spice container. It's perfect to have fresh spices when you bake that pie this season. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.